It is M117 V8 5-liter. Very nice project. Swap 300 GE Gelanderwagen to 500 GE. The car is original, 93 maybe, so it is a very nice project. It's not easy, but it's a very good challenge. Here I have to finish here the new water pump. The engine comes from W426 S-Class. That's the extra wiring, and that is what I needed for starting this engine, and I have to mounting in the original wiring. The car is without the engine. It's a very nice car, very clean, and it's a very nice engine. I make the video only to explain for somebody if have the AD to mounting this engine, what you need exactly. This is the engine bracket. It's a CNC machine, very high quality aluminium. Engine mounting in the chassis, a specific AMG, and here is the same original left side. So this is about the mounting. And the rear side for the transmission, I don't know what's precise. I have to upgrade, but I don't think that is very difficult. Only sure, it's very clear that the exhaust manifolds must be upgrade, and that's the original bracket for the S-Class. Then the wiring, the engine bracket, the engine mount, and the chassis. I have to upgrade the right side. So it's a nice project. You having car. I think Mercedes make limited the first G500, the 500 GA. It is no more than 360 of safety G banging. It's a nice project.